guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Noemi, and for today's video, I will make something special for an occasion. I will make a rocky road cake, and here are the ingredients that we need. For the cake, we need a cake flour, brown sugar, cocoa powder, we need a buttermilk, 4 eggs, coffee, vegetable oil, baking soda, baking powder. I have here vanilla powder, or you can use pure vanilla extract, and white sugar. Then for the frosting and toppings, we need, and for the ganache, we need cream, butter. I have here walnuts. I already roasted. I have marshmallows, chocolate chips, cocoa powder, and powdered sugar. So let's start to do this. So here in my stand mixer, I will only cook the eggs, baking soda, baking powder, vanilla. I will not put all this vanilla because I will put some also for the ganache. Then sugar, and lastly So I will bake this to 175 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes. So while I am waiting for the cake, while it is in the oven, I will start to make the frosting. So I will melt some of the chocolate. I will melt it there. We'll start now with the butter. The butter is already soft. So before you use it, you have to remove it in the fridge. And after this, we will add the cocoa powder. Then the powdered sugar. Now I will add the melted chocolate. That's it. Here is now the cake. I will only remove the top of it and cut it into two also. So while I'm cooking the cream, I will start now to fight the filling. And here is now our finished product, the Rocky Road cake. Thanks for watching Queen of the Kitchen, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and share, and hit the notification down below so you will be updated when I have a new video. Bye!